Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to set up Hubspot ticketing system from ticket intake and escalation so your team can respond faster and consistently. We are going to use service hub tools, ticket pipelines, routine, workflows and things like that, okay? So I just want you to go into your Hubspot dashboard as usual. Some of these features might actually require you to have a paid plan, but you can start one for 14 days for free. The first thing that we need to do is to build a pipeline that is going to match our support stages. That's how you will visualize and automate work. So what are we going to do, guys? We're just going to go to our settings in here, profile and preferences. And now I want you to scroll down to data management and just go to objects and find the tickets section, the tickets menu. Now let's go to pipelines here. And as you can see, we need to create like a new pipeline in here, guys. Keep in mind that you're only going to be able to have one pipeline, okay? If you want to buy more, you have to click on this button here, but that's going to cost you money. So keep that in mind, guys. As you can see, I already have one that is called support pipeline. So I'm just going to use this in here. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to modify this for the purpose of this video. We're going to set different status for this. One, of course, is going to be new. The other one is going to be trias. And I'm going to add a bunch more. So this is what I have so far, okay? I have a bunch of different status, and the status for all of them is actually open except for the last one, which is obviously closed. Okay, but yeah, that's how it's going to look. Remember that you can just drag them, by dragging them across here, but yeah. Now, tickets can arrive from email, chat, forms, or manual creation. Let's show incoming email, okay? And let's show the trias status. So I just want to go to CRM and then inbox in here. Now just select the email that you want to create a ticket from. In this case, I only have this one here. Okay, amazing. And as you can see in the right panel, we have an option that is called create ticket from this conversation. So I'm just going to click on it here. Amazing. And just create a different properties such as the name and things like that. The most important part is to assign the correct pipeline, which in my case, I only have this one here, support pipeline, and the ticket status, okay, which is going to be a triage in my case. Also, make sure to create a date. In my case, it's going to be today. And you can also associate this with a certain contact in case that it comes from a contact, okay? Otherwise, just leave it empty and click on create. Now we want to wire an automation. We're going to create a task, escalate near breach tickets, and notify managers. So let's go to automation and let's click on workflows in here. And now we're basically going to click on create a new workflow in here, guys. I'm going to click on from scratch in here. And now, guys, keep in mind that I'm not going to be able to do this because, this requires actually a pro plan. But you can create, a trigger that is going to be set on a certain schedule. So just click in here on a schedule. And then you can select ticket in here, and that's going to take you to this page where you have to buy something, right? But it doesn't matter. You have to select now the frequency and the date and the time of the date, okay? Now, once that's done, we're going to create a task, okay? That's going to be our action. So just click on this step in here, and let's look for create a task. There we have it, and just add it here. We can, for example, name it escalate reach customer now, okay? And we're going to add even one more that is going to be called send internal email notification. Okay, that's going to send an email to your manager so that he can take care of these ticket. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for tickets. Remember that you can also look on your search bar for tickets in here, and you can access them directly. Okay, and you can modify the stage in which they're in manually by just clicking here and just modifying this. All right, so this is actually pretty simple, and you can automate it as much as you want, or you can keep it manual. It doesn't really matter, okay? That's pretty much it, and thank you so much, guys.